In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recipe database in Notion with a simple tutorial that's perfect for beginners. Notion is a versatile tool that can seamlessly organize just about anything. And today we're going to harness its power to manage your favorite recipes in a database format. So let's dive right into it and get you set up with your own personalized recipe collection. First, we'll start by creating a new database, which we'll aptly name Recipes. To do this, open your Notion app or your web interface and look for the option to create a new page. Once you've got that, choose the Database option. Simply title it Recipes, and hitting Enter will set the groundwork for your collection. Think of this database as your digital cookbook, ready to be filled with delectable dishes, just waiting to be cooked. Next, let's make your database functional and informative by adding useful properties to it. Properties are basically different categories of information that you'll want to keep track of for each recipe. Start by adding columns like Ingredients to list what you'll need, Time for how long each recipe takes, Tags for easy categorization, and Rating for your personal notes on the dish's success. To add these, click on the Add a Property option in your database and select the desired type for each property, like text, number, or multi-select for tags. Adding these critical details not only makes it easier to find what you're searching for later, but it also enriches the way you interact with your database. Now, for an aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly experience, we're going to switch our view to Gallery View. This is especially advantageous when dealing with recipes because it allows you to have visual cues with cover images for each entry. In your database, locate the option that allows you to change your view and select Gallery. Here you can upload or link an image for each recipe, creating an enticing gallery of mouth-watering images, which makes browsing through your database a delightful experience. Finally, to bring your recipes to life, consider adding links or photos of meals themselves. Each recipe entry can include direct links to online sources for inspiration or useful tutorial videos. You can also enhance each entry by uploading photos of the meals or scanning in handwritten recipe cards for a personal touch. This gives you a visual representation that can inspire you and make meal planning a breeze. By the end of this tutorial, you'd have transformed a simple idea into a dynamic and delightful digital cookbook. Whether you're crafting a meal plan or just exploring new culinary endeavors, your Notion recipe database will be an invaluable resource. Happy cooking and organizing. Tune in next time for more tips on making the most out of Notion and other productivity tools.